How to save a seller on eBay. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save a seller on eBay easy and fast in one click. So all what you have to do, of course, go to ebay.com and log into your account or create an account, and then choose the product or that the seller is selling. For example, I'm gonna choose this product right here. Now, as you can see, this is the product, and if you want to save the seller of this product, for example, all what you have to do is go here, and this is the seller. As you can see, it's called Glasses Worlds. Now go down and click on save this seller. Now the seller is saved, and you can find it in your here on this option. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.